Spawn Enderman woke in here. So in the video I just uploaded, saying in the animation I made about I can draw you guys as so requested animals. They could be made up, and you get to put in the description below of how you want the animal to look if you make one up. So I'll be starting for my mom. She wants something winged and with really good vision. So I'm starting with a circle. Okay. So I'm thinking of making the wings really crazy looking. Okay, so I wanted to do blue since that's my favorite color. This might be a bird, I'm not really sure yet. Yep, it's gonna be a bird. Okay, so this is basically, it's kind of what I think this is how my mom wanted it for the animal she kind of wanted to look like. And if it isn't, sorry, I'm woozy. Because I'm trying to make it look like it has her hair. And then also, this is really strange, but that's kind of how the creatures in my world are. I'm gonna give it arms. Hold on. This is just so crazy. Why isn't it? Oh wait, it's like my finger now. Okay, this is just so crazy. Since usually when I draw animals I make up, like Dave, I'll use my example. I make them have long sharp teeth and claws, but for this one as a mom, I'm making her a soft bird. So she's right next to me right now watching the video, see, basically watching me draw her because she really wanted to see. And this is just so random, and because my drawings are from my Twisted World, this is basically where I'll start off. And if you guys want me to draw you as any animal you want, then put in the description below and maybe write a comment of how you see me draw you.